Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to download soil properties data like derived properties, physical properties and chemical properties data. But today, I'll show only soil organic carbon and I will discuss in details. So here the website soilgrid.org. You can find here derived properties. In case of derived properties, you can find organic carbon density and soil organic carbon stock. Here the physical soil, here you can find various options like bulk density, clay content, coarse fragments, sand, silt, and also chemical properties here. Cat and exchange capacity, nitrogen, soil organic, and soil pH. And also soil classes, you can also download World Reference Base 2006 soil group. And here the soil properties. You can find here the info. There are two projects, one soil grid and another WOSIS. And before doing that, please read this paper. It is open access. You can easily download it. And here the soil grid 2.0, producing soil information for the globe with quantified spatial uncertainty. It was published in 14 June 2021. Just for that, you go to here Google and you can find the link soilgrid.org and click on it. You can redirect it in this page. Then you can just go to this download option. Here the two options, soil grid and WOSIS. I will also explain the details for the differences. You can only download it by 2 degree into 2 degree tile. First of all, I will discuss about the soil grids. Select your soil grids. Today I will discuss about only soil organic carbon in details. Here the depth option, you can choose your depth option like surface soil 0 to 5, and for subsurface soil like 5 to 15. 5 to 15 is root zone. So if you're working with crop suitability mapping or that, then it will be helpful for you. 5 to 15, it is root zone. So select your depth and now select value. Here also two options, one mean option and another uncertainty. What the difference between mean and uncertainty? You can find FAQ in this website. I will keep this link in the description below. You can read it here. What the mean of uncertainty? Uncertainty layer displayed is the ratio between interquartile range and the median. Now I'll show to download the mean value, longitude and latitude option. So just check it the latitude and longitude extension of your study area. Here in my case, I'm going to show from 88 degree to 90 degree, and for latitudinal extension 26, so 25 to 27 it's okay for me. So here longitude 88 to 90 and for latitude 25 to 27. And now you can download this layer. It is the spatial resolution 250. So now open it your ArcMap. So here I'm going to add this data here. Okay, this one, add it now. Now say it is 0 to 828 unit of measurement they have used. You can find in this paper soil organic concentration SOC, that's mean unit, generally conventional unit gram per kg, but they have used it dg per kg, that's mean decigram per kg. So I'll show how to convert it into gram per kg. First I want to cut this according to my study area. So select it and go to this Windows tab. You can find image analysis and select it and just click this clip option button, then uncheck it, no need this one. So here you can find this is not projected data. So first project it, right click here and go to data and choose your WGS 1984 ATM zone 45, click it OK and yes. I want to project it. Now I'm going to export my data. Here choose the spatial resolution raster dataset original. Here the data frame. I'm going to select the data frame because I am going to select the special references WGS 1984 ATM zone 45, and now save it. Yes, I want to add it here. So this is my data. Go to this properties. Here the source. You can find the spatial resolution 242 point something into 242.61. The original file was 250 meter into 250 meter spatial resolution. So now it is 0 to 447. So again, go to this properties, and here the symbology, you can change it. Before doing that, you can change to dg to gram. Dg means decigram. Just open your arc toolbox, and here the spatial analysis tool, and you can find the map algebra. Click it and go to raster calculator, select it and divide it by 10 and change it soil organic carbon g kg dot tif is extension. You can give any name, but you must give this extension dot tif because it is a raster data. So click it now. Now it is converted to gram per kg. So go to here, and here the symbology, classified it. You can also change it to percentage, gram per kg to percentage. You can find the formula in the internet. So equal interval, you can choose your interval also now, and you can choose your any color. Okay, this one. So here in my case, this color shows the very low organic carbon in case of river, and in case of build-up area. Here this is a town, Kochbiar town, so it is a build-up area. So here the organic carbon is very low. In case of river, also very low. So in this way, you can prepare soil organic carbon map. Now I'm going to show another option, WOSIS. This one, select this WOSIS and select your layer. I'm going to show organic carbon again. Here you can find here the various format like shapefile, CSV, GeoJSON, GeoPackage, GML package. I'm selecting here shapefile. It is a point data. So select shapefile. Now click this download. It will be downloaded as a zip file. Now go to this layer and just unzip it. Now open again here. Click it. You can find this point data here. Zoom to layer. Now you can find this point data here, the 3 point. Here in my study area only 1 point. So just open it to be table. You can find number of point 27. Some point falls in Bangladesh, and only here some point in India. So in this way you can find the characteristics of the soil. Like I'm going to show this profile, this one, and just go to this open attribute table again. Here you can find these three option, India, and here the layer name FE1, AH, B and C, and you can find the depth of layer, FE layer 10 meter, and for AH layer 30 meter, B layer 50 meter, C layer 137 meter. You can find this organic carbon level, organic carbon value, and also methods. So thank you viewers. I am working hard. I need your support. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.